How to book ticket in Etihad Airways. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To book the ticket in your airways, first and foremost, in a preferred browser, search for etihad.com. You'll be redirected to an interface like this. Tap on the round trip option to select if it is a round trip, one-way or multi-city. Then select on the guest option and select on your class, either it's economy, business or first. Select your destination. Then tap on your flight date of your preference. If you have a promo code, you can enter it right here, or if you want to pay with miles, you can even tick mark on this box and click on search flight. After which it will redirect you to a new flight section. Select the flight that you desire. You can also compare the prices by at the top according to the date. Now, to check the details or the itinerary of the flight, you can click on the details option. If you're happy with it, now to confirm your booking, click on the From USD option, which will pop up a new section where you can select some of the features that is available to you. Choose any, then tap on Continue and Accept. In here, you can enter your guest information, enter your name and your contact information, then tap on the Continue button. Now finally, you can select a seat for yourself. Tap on the Add button. Then click on the available options at the top, which will display you the seat. You can select the seat that you desire, then tap on Confirm Seat. Again, click on Update My Seats option and tap on Continue. Now lastly, what you need to do is you will have to pay for booking. Click on the Continue button, which will redirect you to the payment section of Etihad. Then select on your desired payment. You can select credit or debit card, Etihad Guest Miles, Etihad Credit and PayPal. Then you can enter card details, name, expiration date, month and your CVV. After that, just go ahead and confirm your payment as well as your booking. So this is how you book a ticket in Etihad. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.